Hello everyone, welcome again my channel. So today Prakhar joined me and we both are practice our English. Okay.
You
And
may
first of all, thank you so much for supporting me. I am very happy because I got 100 subscriber. Thank you so for
100
supporting me.
subscribers.
Yeah,
Once
100
more.
subscribers.
So,
Okay.
so you and I make a story with a camel and
Okay.
a dinosaur.
Okay. Where is dinosaur?
Oh, dinosaur.
Wow, it's very cute, na? Yeah. So today we are make story.
A camel and a dinosaur.
Yeah, a camel and a dinosaur. Okay.
So I make first, you make last.
Okay.
Once upon a time, there was a dinosaur.
Huh.
He was very hungry.
Uh-huh.
And he can't found some food,
Uh-huh.
and he see a camel. Then he then he going to hunt for the camel, and the camel was run, and the dinosaur
Chased him.
and the dinosaur was chased him, and the next and he gone to sleep, and next day he gone to hunt again, and the camel can't run
Because that time camel was drinking water.
no, because that time the camel is asleep. That time the dinosaur go and hunt,
Okay.
and the dinosaur pick and come back in his house. Thank you.
Wow, you made very nice, but how I made? Okay, once a camel, he used to live a desert,
In our daily.
and in a desert, and her her honor very her honor very proud to her because camel was very hard working because camel was very hard working. He every time work, and camel was not eat too much food and not drink water. So one day his owner said, you go and took
Her,
some.
her honor said because her honor is because her honor is a boy or girl.
Okay, his owner said, his his owner said, you go and took five five sack corn. So he was go there. So he go, and on the way he saw, oh my god, there are a lot of sand. I not able to make. He make, but I not able to make. How I make? Prakhar, can you give me idea?
You make another. Like I make camel and dinosaur. So you make in a spider and a tiger.
Not a spider, tiger. Spider and bee.